Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to AQB IT Solutions. This is Ali Raza, and today I'm going to tell you one of the most important and one of the most well-known and top most technologies we have in today's world, that is Git and GitHub. So I'm going to talk about these particular technologies in today's lecture. I'm going to start a new series based on this particular technology, that is Git and GitHub. Okay, so what is this, what is Git and what is GitHub? I'm going to demonstrate now. So basically, let me give you an example first. Let's say if you have created a folder and you have created 3 files within that folder, okay, and you have written some, you have entered some data inside those files, and later on, after some days, you have changed something within that files. Let's say that is a computing or programming code, and you have changed a lot of things within that particular file, and after changing all of the things, you notice that there is something happened wrong, okay, and now you wanted to go back to the previous state that was the correct version of the particular file. So you cannot be able to get back to the previous state where you have left and where what changes you have done in that particular file. So with the help of this Git and GitHub, you can go back and you can actually do the version controlling of your files. Simple. A simple term, that is version control, can be best fitting here for this particular tool, that is Git and GitHub. I hope it is clear to everyone. So with the help of Git, you can be able to version control. Simple. You can be able to manage different versions of your work, and you can be able to demonstrate who had changed which work within yourself and with respect to the team workers that you have within your organization. And let me tell you further about the GitHub. That what is GitHub? Basically, GitHub is a particular tool, online repository where you can add your files globally, okay, so on the internet. So basically, Git is used to manage the version control locally within your PC, and via GitHub you can be able to manage your files internationally, globally, on the internet, throughout the geographically different located offices for your work. Okay, so you can be able to do work with the help of GitHub on a separate locations that are separate geographically. Okay, so let's say one office is in Karachi and the other office is in, let's say, in Dubai. So how can you manage to work? The team in the Dubai do some changes, and then the Karachi team can also get the updated changes. So you can collaborate with the help of GitHub. You can multiple teams can work together with the help of GitHub on a single project. I hope it is clear to everyone. So that's a brief introduction about Git and GitHub. Now in the next lecture, I will demonstrate how can you get start with the GitHub, how can you install that, and what are the things that you should do for doing or for using the Git repository and the GitHub repository. Okay, so that's all for today. Hope you have understood what is this Git and GitHub. If you do not understand anything, please do write me. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.